Karis, I just want to say, from the moment you were born, your mother and I have adored you. And I still remember when you were born, because I was there. It was me, Mom, and the doctor. And that was it. You are a beautiful young woman, and I'm so excited for you and Brady. I think you're going to have an amazing life together, and I could not be happier for you both. I think God had His hands all over your lives, and I just love you. And I want the absolute best for you and Brady both.
Wow, you look so beautiful.
Thanks.
Wow.
You look really nice too.
Yeah, it's been cold out here.
I'm kind of nervous. Yeah. I'm sweaty.
Can I kiss her yet?
Karis and Brady, I'm just so happy for you. One of the things I prayed for Karis from the time she was really young was for a godly man to be her husband. And all those years I was praying for you, Brady. I'm just so excited for all God's going to do through the two of you, and I'm so glad He's blessed you. And I'm looking forward to just having you part of our family, Brady and Karis. You guys are just going to be amazing together. God bless you.
Brady, this is just such a special day. I have looked forward to this, and I'm so excited for it. I'm so excited for the wonderful woman that you're bringing into our family, and excited for the life that you'll have with her. You are a dear, wonderful person. You have got a heart that's so big, I don't know how it fits in your chest. And you have brought so many years and moments of happiness to me and your dad, and to all your friends, and to anybody around you that gives you an opportunity to shed love on them and to shed the gospel with them. So I just am so excited to have Karis as a new daughter. I don't feel like I'm losing a son. I feel like I'm gaining a daughter and sharing a son with another wonderful family, and can't wait maybe for some grandchildren to see what that's like, and to have many wonderful experiences traveling, sometimes maybe with you and Karis, if you'll still let us treat to travel occasionally, and just to share life with you all and watch what God leads you all to, and all the wonderful things that I know will happen. I love you, and I love you too, Karis.
Well, Karis, I am just so honored and blessed to be marrying my best friend. I'm so excited for all that God has done and is doing and will do, and that we get to just live life together and ultimately have a family and just follow His will for our lives. So I'm stoked for that, and I'm just so grateful that we made it to this day. So I love you so much, and I'm looking forward to the next stage of life.
Hey Brady. This is weird because I have 3 guys in the room listening to this with me, but I have that same feeling as the day that I came over to your house and I said, "Can I have a glass of water?" That's how I feel, but I'm just excited, and I'm like nervous and excited to start a life with you finally after 6-7 years of wanting that. So anyways, excited to be your wife, and love you.
By the authority given to me by God and the state of Tennessee, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride, Brady. Yay!
What's up, man? Dude, we are so pumped to be here. We're so pumped to be here. So excited for you and Karis. It was an honor to be here, to be with you the last few years, and just to be out here hanging out, celebrating with these guys has been a blast. So we wish you the best. We love you and Karis so much. If you ever need anything, you know where to find us, man. We love you.
What's up, Brady, man? Thank you for inviting us. You're so blessed, man. God bless you, and thank you for everything you have done for me.
Brady, thank you for inviting us, as Mari said, and you have been a brother to me and a teacher since 6th grade. So thank you, sir.
We are so proud and we love you.
Brady, man. It's Jimmy, man. You know me. TJ. Hey, man, I have a question. Why you didn't tell us about Hamilton? Hey, man, thank you for everything you've done for me and all of us, man. We love you and we love you, Karis. And just don't leave us, man. Don't leave us. Stick with us. We love you, man.
We still need to work on the jungle gym downstairs. It is not set up completely yet. I'm super pumped to get to do life with you guys at the house.
Downstairs, I was writing in the psalm I chose was Psalm 67, where it says, "Let the nations be glad." And I was thinking about you guys and how you're called to minister and proclaim God to the nations together. And so I'm really excited to see what that looks like for you guys and do whatever I can to support you as a couple.
I don't know how long we lived together, 5, 6, 7 years, whatever it is. You know, you've been one of my best buddies along the way.
Excited to get to be the roommate upstairs to you guys here for the next little bit. Brady, you've obviously had a huge impact on my life, and I'm always appreciative of that.
It's a really cold night, but our hearts are warm. On this grand occasion, we honor you both. You are cherished, beloved, known. So happy that we finally made it to this night. We've been just waiting just a few years for this.
Really thankful. You both meant so much to me. Karis, like, way more to me than Brady. You've changed my life, both of you. The way that you've loved mutual friends of ours and made them men of God that strengthen me and encourage me and inspire me.
I love you guys so much, and it's just a joy. From your local REI hookup, don't forget there to recreate responsibly.
Karis, what a blessing your friendship has been on my life.
Karis, I want to speak to you personally. I adore you, and you are the most amazing friend I've really ever had. And so just know that I love you, and I'm here to cover the both of you. Yeah, I'm so excited for what God's just about to do. It's just the beginning.